How to use the industrial sewing machine Invisible Zip Presser Foot.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to use this invisible zip presser foot. So the presser foot comes in a pair, the right foot and the left foot. So it comes in a pair. So this is it. This is the right foot and this is the left foot. Can you see? Can you see? So we'll start off with the right foot. So you're going to be needing a screwdriver which you're going to use to unscrew your normal presser foot. You're going to unscrew your normal presser foot and replace it with the invisible zip presser foot. So this is the normal industrial machine presser foot. So we're going to be starting off with the right presser foot. So you're going to place your presser foot and you're going to screw it in place. Please, if you're new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. You can also drop your questions, your thoughts via the comment section. Also share this video to your friends and family, people you think might need it. You can also download this video for your own personal use because you might be needing it later on. So I'm done fixing the foot. Can you see the way it's going? So you're going to get your dress that you want to sew an invisible zip to. So why if you want to make an invisible zip, you're going to pin the zip down. It is very important you pin the zip down. So I used an interfacing for this because the fabric is stretchy. That is why I ironed an interfacing at the back. The fabric is stretchy. This is another clue you're getting from this video. If your fabric is stretchy, you want to iron an interfacing on the zip line, on that line that you're going to apply the zip. So remember, you are going to pin down your invisible zip both sides. It is very important you pin it down. It is very, very important you pin it down. So you're going to open up your zip, you're going to sew your zip open, and then you're going to place the zipper. Make sure the pin, you come very close to the invisible zip. Your pin is very close to the invisible zip. Can you see? Very close. You use your hand to like open the zip, shift the zip open, and then place your pin and sew. It is very simple. This invisible zip presser foot makes sewing invisible zip very, very simple, stress free. So this is the right zipper. Can you see? It's very simple. And this is this. We are done sewing the right zip. We are done sewing the right zip. So to sew the left, you are going to unscrew that that one, and you're going to place for the left, place the zipper for the footer for the left. Now mind you guys, you can use one of these footer to sew both your right and your left. I was just doing this for the purpose of this video, but I normally use the left footer to sew for the right and for the left, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So this is the left footer. I have screwed it on, and then let us sew the left side of the zip. So you're also going to place, can you see the way I open the zip and put your pin down there, and then go ahead and start sewing. Sorry guys, is the right zipper that I normally use. Sorry. The other zipper I removed. I can use that zipper to sew both the right and the left side of my zip. So I'm going to show you guys that. So as I said, this fabric is stretchy, and that was why I ironed a gum stay and interfacing on the back. So this that will help stabilize your fabric. So whenever you want to sew a zip, whether invisible zip or normal zip on a stretchy fabric, it's advised you put an interfacing so it's going to hold it in place, especially a gum stay, especially a gum stay. So after that, you're going to remove your pins, the pins that you use to secure the zip, and you're going to zip up. Can you see? Can you see? This is very beautiful. Can you see? Can you see our invisible zip? So by the time you iron this up, the zip is going to disappear totally. By the time you iron it, you are not going to be able to find where you applied your zip again. That is why it's called an invisible zip. So I'm going to use this footer. I'm going to use this left footer to sew. Now I want you guys to see that I can use one of the footer to sew both the left and the right side. So this is me doing it. So I'm done sewing this side. I'm going to flip. You remember this side I started sewing from the up. So I'm going to flip and start from the down. Can you see? And sew. So this is how I can be able to use only one footer to sew both the right and the left side. And I prefer this because I hate the stress or the struggle of, after fixing one side, I will remove the presser foot to fix another presser foot to fit to sew another side. So I prefer using one presser foot to sew both sides. And guys, this is it. My invisible zip is ready and looking good. So you don't really need to change the presser foot for the left or for the right. You can just use one presser foot to sew for both. And this is our zip. This is our invisible zip. This is our invisible zip. And see you some other time, guys. Thank you very much for sticking by. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn the notification bell, and see you in my next video. Bye.